This is exercise number 1 for chapter 12. This chapter requires a lot of terminology and understanding that. We're going to be defining such things as value-added, non-value-added type costs. This particular exercise is a quality control analysis, activity analysis, and we're supposed to indicate the following 4 activities of a manufacturing department: rework, 210,000; inspecting incoming raw materials, 70,000; warranty work for 35,000; process improvement effort, 35,000, for a total of 350,000. Sales at 250. Prepare a cost of quality report, and we're going to round it to the nearest percentage. So we're going to look at each one of these, and we need to consider how they're going to apply to this cost of quality report. First, we have prevention costs. The prevention costs are those costs which we would consider to be an improvement, and in this case it's $35,000, which is a process improvement effort, and we are going to try to make sure that the products are of good quality and are functioning properly. Then we have appraisal costs, and the appraisal costs are those which are considered such things as inspecting. Those are our appraisal costs. So we would enter 70,000. And internal failure are those types of costs which we've experienced and we have to do something before we've delivered it to a customer where we've had some type of problem. And in this case we have rework of 210,000, so we would select that rework of 210,000 as an internal failure. And external failure are those types of problems where we've delivered it to the customer and we have to bring it back and fix it or something like that. So a warranty work, in this case $35,000, would qualify for that particular item. Now once we've determined all of those costs, we can then add up the total, which is $350,000, and of course that's the same as what they gave us here, $350,000. Excuse me. Once we have done that, we can say, of the total quality cost, the $350,000, what percentage is the prevention cost? Take the $35,000 divided by 350, we'll get 10%. 70,000 divided by 350 is 20%. We do that for each one of our costs, and we have 60, 10, and of course all of those would add up to 100%. Then we're going to look at this as a percentage of sales. It says our sales is 250,000. I'm sorry, 2,500,000. If we take the 35,000, divide it by 2,500,000, we'll have 1.4%. If we have the 70,000 divided by 2.5 million, the result will be 2.8%. And now we're rounding this to 1 decimal place. So if it comes out to more than 1 decimal place, we'll need to round that. And we'd continue on down until we have all of those as a percentage.